Hello everybody, my name is Lucy Russell and I'm the tutor for the online social media marketing course brought to you by the International Career School. During this course, you will learn commercial marketing in social media, from building a personal brand to working for a really large business. From Facebook advertising to Google AdWords, from tweets to reels, you name it, we cover it. Social media is not just an activity, it's an investment of valuable time and resources. It's your voice, your brand, and ultimately, it's your business. You can impact people's decision making with engagement and interact with people at every opportunity you have. Every single person you speak to has the potential to be your next customer, and that's powerful. I've worked in marketing roles for over 10 years now, looking after social media accounts and platforms for large brands all across the globe. My clients have ranged in different industry types, from fast-moving consumer goods, automotive, airlines, travel and tourism, and investment banks. This social media marketing course will give you all the tips and tricks that you need to learn to know how to manage social media accounts and use it to your advantage to monetize, to capitalize, and start making money using social media for your business. So, does this sound like something you'd like to be a part of? I hope so. You can visit the International Career School website today to book your place and spend the next 8 weeks with me, helping you grow your social media marketing skills and toolset. Bye!